Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Monday.com AI assistant. Let's get started. First, go to Monday.com, click on Login here at the upper right corner. Next, enter in your work email address, or you may also choose to sign in with your Google account. And you will be led to the Monday.com dashboard. In the dashboard, click on your profile icon here at the upper right corner and click on Administration from the drop-down. This will lead you to the Administration page. In this page, on the left panel, click on Customization. Then at the navigation menu up here, click on Features. In the Features page, scroll down until you see the Enable or Disable AI features, and click on the Enable option so that your account members can see what are the available AI features. Next, go back to your dashboard by clicking on this Back button at the upper left corner. In your dashboard, click on Automate right here, and this Automation Center pop-up will appear. On the left panel under the categories, click on AI Powered, and AI Powered templates will be displayed. There are many templates which are made for different needs depending on what you and your team requires. If you see one that you think you need, just click on Use Template. Then click on Create Automation right here. And that is how you can use the Monday.com AI Assistant. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.